Jam Learning. Today we are going to learn electric cable construction. Myself is Mr. Jem Patil, Electrical Engineering Department from Kekewak Polytechnic, Nasik. So before we learn the construction of electric cable, let us first see what is electric cable. An electric cable is an assembly of one or more wires running side by side or bundled, which is used to carry the electric current. So cable is being different from the wire in the sense that it has containing one or more wire as shown in this diagram. This diagram shows that there are three different wires which are housed single and used to carry the electric current through it. Now the basic construction of cable we are going to learn from this diagram. This diagram elaborates the different parts of a cable. Let us first see what is the conductor. Conductor is the basic element or part of a cable, and conductor function is to carry the electric current from one point to another point. Now the current is being carried by conductors, so conductor has to be provided over it a layer of insulation. The insulation is a material that opposes the flow of current through it. So any current when it is being leakage from the conductor material to the ground, as the cable is to be used usually in the underground purpose, so that leakage current must be avoided or it should be minimized. So a layer of insulation is being provided over the each conducting layer of the first part. Now this insulation, whatever we are using, must have the high resistivity, then its electric field strength or withstand capacity should be high. The insulation which is being provided over the conductor, as the cable is used in underground, then there is a possibility of absorption of moisture within the insulation or entry of moisture in the insulation. The entry of moisture is going to minimize or lower the insulation resistance possessed by the cable or insulating layer. So for this the third layer is used, that is the sheath being name given here. So sheath is a metallic part that avoid the entry of moisture into the insulation in order to retain or protect the insulation resistance of cable. Now this metallic sheath, as the cable is in underground application, so there is possibility of corrosion of the cable by the different components present in the soil or is electrolytic action. So that should be provided. For that a layer of bedding is provided in order to avoid the corrosion of this metallic sheath. Over the bedding, the next layer is provided for mechanical protection of all parts of this cable from the mechanical injury itself. So armoring will also be from the metallic element. Over the armoring, we have to again provide the last layer, and that is being called as the serving. The serving has the same function as the bedding, is to avoid the corrosion of this armoring when we are using the cable in the underground applications. So these basic parts are always going to present in the cable, and they may vary depending upon the application of the cable. Let us see what the different materials that are being suitable to be used for the different layers of a cable. The first layer is conductor. So the conductor will be made from the copper or a cadmium copper or aluminum. The second layer is of insulation. The insulation will be made from the impregnated paper, butylene rubber, the polyvinyl chloride cable or polyethylene or PVC, and nowadays we are using mostly the cross-linked polyethylene that has very high resistivity and high electric field strength. Then the third layer is the sheath. The sheath is usually made from the lead or lead alloys. Then comes the bedding. The bedding will be made from the paper compound with fibrous material, and most popularly the Hazen jute tape is also suitable for making the bedding of a cable. Then for mechanical protection we are using armoring. So the armoring will be made from the galvanized steel. Over the galvanized steel or armoring there is a layer of serving. The serving will be again made from the paper compound with fibrous material and Hazen jute. With this I am sure that you got the basic idea of the construction of cable. Thank you to you. Do like and share my video.